So we've got a project up here on the gantry, which this gantry was actually built by some students a couple years ago. We've got this old gearbox-driven bush hog. It's a student's. It's not their primary bush hog. It's one that they just kind of mow some uh, farms that they lease. And they grabbed hold of something. I mean, I don't know exactly what it was. I don't know if it was a tree trunk or what, but it just put a wallop, and that's the good side. This side, you can see it tore out a whole bunch of the deck here. And we've been working on cleaning it up and patching it, and there's some angle here that we had to replace, and there's some little rust holes that we've kind of welded in. We're going to grind smooth. And yesterday we took it outside and pressure washed it. We're going to paint it and grease the gearbox up real well, and it'll be ready to work. What's funny is so many of my students, even students from the farm, when this thing came in, they were like, man, just throw that away. And that is such a problem that's in America right now, is this idea that stuff can just be thrown away. And the whole point of kind of this class is agricultural mechanics, and welding is fixing stuff. Um, you know, not everything has to be disposable. It's okay to actually fix stuff. And so that's one of the skills that we try to teach the kids is, before you toss it in the trash, take a look at it. If it's something you can fix, fix it.